It's been well over a month since Sushant Singh Rajput passed away on June 14th. Let's discuss some of the key developments in the ongoing investigation. Firstly, Shekhar Kapoor, you remember Shekhar Kapoor was working on a film called Pani with Sushant Singh Rajput, and Shekhar Kapoor said, well, Sushant used to weep on his shoulders, Shekhar's shoulders, as he was let down by certain individuals. Pani got shelved. Pani was supposed to be produced by Yash Raj Films, Aditya Chopra, but it got shelved, never saw the light of day, that film. And reportedly, Sushant Singh Rajput had worked very hard for that particular movie. He was very close with Shekhar Kapoor. But Shekhar Kapoor had his differences, creative differences with Aditya Chopra, and that's why that film was shelved. On the other hand, reports came in that Sushant Singh Rajput was in fact the first choice for films such as Bajirao Mastani, which was produced by Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Now, Bhansali, in a statement to the Bandra police, has said that yes, he had approached Yash Raj Films as he wanted Sushant Singh Rajput as his Bajirao in Bajirao Mastani, but YRF, Yash Raj Films, told Bhansali that Sushant was busy with Pani. Remember, Bajirao Mastani released in 2015. Pani, discussions on Pani have been going on since the last 8 years, 7 to 8 years. So this is going back to 2014, 2013, that time. 2015 as well, Bajirao Mastani released. Moving on from there, Aditya Chopra in his statement to the police said that Bhansali never approached Yash Raj Films. So there's a contradiction there. Aditya Chopra said Bhansali never approached Yash Raj Films for Sushant Singh Rajput to ever work in Bajirao Mastani, but also that Yash Raj Films had allowed Sushant Singh Rajput to work in MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, which released in 2016. So his point being that we aren't stopping any of our talent to work with other producers or other companies. So there is a contradiction there. Bhansali is saying one thing and Aditya Chopra is saying the other. Beyond the politics of which films Sushant didn't get, Kriti Sanon wrote that these blind items which tarnish the image or tarnish the reputation of certain actors, certain journalists target certain actors specifically, to defame them, these have to be done away with. Now the Mumbai police is questioning Rajiv Masand, well-known film critic who reportedly wrote blind items along the lines of calling Sushant Singh Rajput a skirt chaser, saying that I'm paraphrasing, but saying that Sushant Singh Rajput's career was over, he was a box office dud and things like that. That's what Rajiv Masand had reported. They've also interrogated other journalists who wrote blind items against Sushant Singh Rajput. So if Kriti Sanon, who was linked with Sushant Singh Rajput before Rhea Chakrabarti, is saying this, obviously it might have affected Sushant Singh Rajput, it might have affected his image. That was also bothering him. Kangana Ranaut jumped into the whole situation. She has sort of been on a crusade of sorts, and she has named everyone from Mahesh Bhatt to Aditya Chopra to Karan Johar, this whole nepotism brigade, the whole workings of within the industry of how they make or break a certain individual. But very interesting, the most interesting aspect of this entire interrogation till now is the 3 psychiatrists that now reportedly the Mumbai police spoke to and who revealed that Sushant Singh Rajput was in depression November 2019 onwards. Now this is the most interesting thing. You might want to argue if a journalist defamed him, tried to tarnish his reputation. You even might want to argue, which films he got, which films he could not do. We will never get a clear answer to those questions because remember, he did have a huge hit in Chichore. So were films that big a problem? Really? So then the only person basically who now he was with or allegedly should have been with, reportedly should have been with, is Rhea Chakrabarti. So her statement is very, very, very important. It's crucial. Whatever she told the police is crucial in this case because she was probably the only person who knows what was going on with Sushant Singh Rajput. Again, very, very interestingly, Subramanian Swamy, a very senior BJP leader, political leader, has done it all. He goes out and claims that this is a murder. Kangana Ranaut on national television says this is a murder. Pappu Yadav, again a politician, writes a letter to Amit Shah, Home Minister, and says that this is a matter which should be investigated. This is a murder. Subramanian Swamy also writes to the Prime Minister saying this is a murder. After a month, Rhea Chakrabarti very interestingly says there should be a CBI inquiry to find out what led to this and what were the sort of pressures that he was going through. My simple question is this: who better to tell us about the pressure that Sushant Singh Rajput was under than Rhea Chakrabarti? Why all of a sudden everybody is demanding for the CBI inquiry? I'm not saying there should not be a CBI inquiry. Definitely, if that's what solves this case, if that's what gives us everyone a closure, It should happen. But from Riya Chakrabarti to Subramanian Swamy to Pappu Yadav, now everybody is suddenly asking for a CBI inquiry. If we really want to know what pressures led to this, isn't Riya the best person to tell us? So even if there has to be a CBI inquiry, firstly, the Mumbai police need to share all details. They need to tell us what's been happening over the past a month and now a week. So they need to tell us the 36 people who they spoke to. What has come out of this investigation? Is it a clear case of depression? If he was depressed, were there any points that triggered this depression? Was there industry pressure? Was it something else? We need to hear from the Mumbai police and from Riya Chakrabarti to move on. And again, I say this, if there is a need for a CBI inquiry in this case, there should definitely be a CBI inquiry in this case, because the fans and everybody from India who've lost such a young actor need to know the truth about Sushant Singh Rajput.